So one of my favorite real simple treatments is fixing earlobes. A lot of women, of course, will come in who've had either heavy earrings, or if an earring got pulled and the earring hole now becomes a slit. Sometimes that means it's all the way through and you can't wear an earring at all. Other times it's just been elongated to the point that the earring is just dangling at the bottom of the earlobe. It's a procedure I love doing because it works incredibly well. We basically get you back to having an earlobe that looks like it never had any piercing at all, so it looks like a brand new earlobe. And surgically, it involves a lot of detail. We have to get the curve of that earlobe exactly right. So from a surgeon standpoint, it provides enough of a challenge that it's really interesting each time, yet it's simple enough that there's no risk to it. I know you're going to heal well and get a great result, so rewarding both for me and for the patient.